Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. Today, we are going to be looking at price action charts and exactly where Omi is trying to go. It's very simple to understand price action, especially if you understand markets. Okay guys, key levels is very important. This is what I've been trying to explain to you guys, trying to teach you guys throughout all my series, throughout my videos. Okay, so this is Omi guys. This is the charts. We are on the 1 hour time frame, so we are going to look at more positions where we could buy, sell, or continue with the sideways movement. So yesterday we did drop off. We did have a bias. If you did want to see a buy, we wanted to see a breakout of this zone of 0.00228. Once we see a breakout, we want to push the upside, find some support, all right, on the bottom ends, and then push the upside, guys. Because we did not get that contingency, we did not look for a buy. Like I said, for the downside, we wanted to see a break of support and resistance zones, go to the bottom and get some resistance, and go to this trend line, guys. What I would say, it's a good way to understand where it could be a key level if we are trying to buy. I'm just going to show you guys my key levels if I am trying to buy, to give you a better accurate position, especially to the upside. Also, I am going to give you zones that if it does break, it could go all the way down to the bottom. Another great zone to buy for you guys as well, okay? But right now we can clearly see the market, it's going sideways and it's totally fine. Like I said to you guys, this happens because of the sellers and the buyers. After such a big move and realizing that we do have marble in the bag, they still want to find out if it's still worth it to push it to the upside. Like I said, no one wants to lose money. So if they do push it to the upside, if it is going to be a quick sell, a lot of people are going to take profits and it's up to them if they want to rejoin this program, right? So that's why right now we are in a phase of consolidation. So please do not be worried, guys. This is nothing wrong. Every market needs to breathe, guys, and it's very important that this is breathing on a good level of 0.61. So like I said, these levels over here are good. I like the 50 retracement, the 61 retracement. These are my favorite retracements to trade. So it's particularly up to you guys what kind of trades that you want to place. Okay, like I said, make sure your risk to reward is good. If we do have a break on the upside, I want to show you guys where is a great example you could put a stop loss. Here I'm going to pull out this line right here. Let's do a trend line. So if I do see a break of structure and it's going to the top and it's retesting right here and pushing to upside, you could, if you want to be aggressive trader and you don't want to do a big stop loss, you could put it right here in the middle right here. But if you want to be really safe, you want to put it all the way in the other end. Okay, the reasons why, if it does do a reversal 360 and it pushes all the way to the downside, yes, you're going to be out of the trade, but that will give you a confirmation that it's a continuation to the downside. So basically, guys, vice versa to the downside. So if it does break to the downside, you want to put your stop loss on top of here. Reasons why, if it does another 360 and pushes to the upside, it breaks your stop loss, so it's not going to be a sell anymore and you're going to find more buy opportunities to push the upside. So guys, I want to show you a really cool fact right here. Okay, so I am going to draw a line right here. Let's try to get the 50 right on the dot. So guys, I tried to draw a line right here on the 50 mark. Okay, so clearly you could see each time that it did break to the upside right here, see, it basically gave us different identifications if it's going to push the upside. But we knew as traders this is not going to be valid, because if we take every single trade, guys, every single time it broke to the upside, you can see it touched a resistance zone, it touched a resistance zone, and it touched a resistance zone. Guys, look very carefully, you can see the pressure right here, up, up, up. So whenever it broke the 15 line, guys, we do seek to do buys, but clearly I told you guys we're not trying to do buys, especially when we have a huge resistance level right here. We want to see a break on the upside. Once we see a break on the upside and it retests and it's confirmational and it makes sense with a great pattern like a doji or a bullish candle pushing to the upside, we do want to see this RSI actually be above the 50, and then continuation with the trade, we could do a buy there. But guys, this is the gem I'm going to drop to you guys in today's video. The best place to buy, I would personally say, guys, we are going to see a zone right here that I want to see actually be a good buy zone. So right here, I would say is a great buy zone. So my question to you guys, why do you think I put this as a great buy zone? If you guys do know why, please type me a comment underneath and I would love to know what your reason is why I could see this being a great buy zone. Remember guys, this is not financial advice, this is my advice. So whatever I tell you guys, please take this with a grain of salt and try to do your own research, of course. Every research that you do, guys, is only going to make you more educated into this market. So please be that type of person to do your own due diligence and do some research. Reasons why I put this as a level that I could truly see be a great confirmation for me to buy more Omi tokens, or not even trade it, just to buy and hold it for a long period of time, because this is such a great level for me to realize. Reasons why, right here guys. So right here we have one touch of the market on support, guys, same right here on support. And remember guys, in order for a trend line to be successful and really solid, you want to have 3 touches. So clearly if we do see a touch here, guys, we could consider that a 3rd touch. But of course with that, we want to work with price action, want to work with the RSI indicator, and also we have to realize that if it does touch this level, we do have a resistance level level, guys, let's look at the positives on why this level 0.0019ish level can be a great time to buy. And of course you can sell at the very top, guys, and then if it does go lower, you can accumulate more Omi tokens for the future. So like I said, guys, this is my reasons for why this level is really good. Trend line, that's number one, guys. Third touch is very important. Right here, a support and resistance line that has been showing me throughout this series that it is really strong as a good support, and it can also work as a resistance. So that if we do move it all the way over, guys, we could clearly see that it has a confluence right here. So that itself, we have one, right? We have this zone of this trend line. We have this support and resistance zone, and also following with the fib retracement, guys. This zone is such a great zone. Watch where price action goes, guys, throughout this zone. Like I said, we'll see how it plays out throughout the zone, but if we do have a push to the downside, don't worry about it. Like I said, if this market does go lower, guys, this is just more and more confirmation for us to buy. Before I do sell, guys, I do want to see this trend line being broken so I can see the push to the downside being more confluent and more realistic. Okay, guys, other than that, guys, I do want to show you one last gem because I know you guys do like type of videos like this, and I want to be that type of person that can educate you guys and try to show you little things every single day to make you a better trader. Okay, guys, so right here I am going to zoom in like that. Watch this, guys. I'm going to show you one little key trick that I always do too. Okay, so I'm going to draw this little trend line right here, and we're going to push it all the way up here. All right, and also we are going to put another trend line like this. Okay, and you can clearly see, guys, it is making a wedge form. Okay, wedge, you could see this is solid on the top, and this price is actually moving higher, so it's making higher lows, guys. So as you can see, these are making higher lows, pushing the markets up. So that's basically telling me, guys, listen to this very carefully. When you're investing, guys, please think like an investor. That's the best thing I could do. The reasons why they're doing the certain things they're doing. So like I said, this is selling. Okay, so the selling pressure came here, it sold really deep. Okay, then the buying pressure went all the way back up. Okay, guys, and then they found the same support where the sellers are like, you know what, you came back to the same zone we sold at, it made sense before, so let's do it again. They sold, and the buyers are like, you know what, it's not making sense. I don't think this value of this market should be this low, so they bought again at this very level. So once it went back up, sellers knew that they're going to try to sell, they're going to try to fake out the buyers. But because they tried to do that, half of the sellers would try to give up their sell position and try to buy. Reasons why: it did not break the previous low. So because it did not break this low, guys, sellers gave up and tried to buy as well. So that's why the market went back up. So clearly you could see each time the sellers are selling, they could not beat the previous low that was already made. So that means their power to sell is slowly dying. And that's the key you guys need to understand. Why the buyer's power each time is pushing, yes, it's going back to resistance zone and they're not making a higher high, but they are making a higher low, thus making it more reasonable for them to enter at a cheaper price to push the market up. Like I said, guys, this could be a continuation of breakup to the top, but like I said, we all need to understand the markets can change. It could still go sideways, but this is just the understanding of for you guys to see that why investors think the certain ways they do. Okay, guys, hopefully you guys do like these videos. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for commenting and giving me all the support that you guys can. Other than that, take it easy, and John out. Peace.